This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Pump Station and Nursery and Infant Toddler Youth. And in this video, we're going to show you how to install the Pipa Urbn using the latch system. Now remember, before you use your car seat, always remember to read the manual of your car seat and vehicle. Now, as you know, the Nuna Pipa Urbn does not come with the base and does not click into the bases. It can only do a baseless installation using the latch system, which are attached to the actual car seat itself. Now, the first thing you want to do is find the latches in your vehicle. In my car, there are these little buttons with a picture of a car seat. And right below the buttons, there's an opening in the fabric. And inside the opening are the metal latch bars. Now, all cars after 2002 will have latches in them. You just need to find them in your vehicle. If you cannot find them in an obvious spot, check the manual of your car and it'll show you exactly which seats can use the latch system. Now, as I mentioned, the latch connectors are located on the actual base themselves. So these are the connectors that attach to the latch of your vehicle. You only have to grab one of them because when you move one of them, they both move at the same time. And if you notice here, there's actually a red window on each connector to let you know that the car seat is not attached to the vehicle yet. But once you line it up with the latches and actually connect it, that window is going to turn green to let you know it has successfully and correctly attached to your car. Once the latch is attached, the car seat will not be able to move more than an inch from side to side or front to back. You're going to look on the side of the car seat. There is a blue line. You want to make sure that that line is level with the ground. So if you're on a flat surface, the line should be straight. If you're on a hill, the line should be at the curb. Never test the car seat from the back. The back of the car seat will be able to move up and down and side to side. That movement is normal. When a car seat absorbs crash force, it's redistributed and released on the back. And in some cars, it will move more than others. When you're ready to release the car seat from the vehicle, there is a button on the back here. If you squeeze it, it's going to disconnect the latch connectors from the latch system. The windows here are going to turn red to let you know they're not connected. And then you're going to push them all the way up into the car seat until it clicks. That'll let you know the latch connectors are now stored again. And you can take the little one out of the car. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.